today it is the 24th of May 2024, and we are very lucky because we are now receiving in the transmitter which we have already encountered last time. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitting unit, and this is the modulation unit. Currently we are listening to a tone, a signal of 1000 Hertz, and we measured, we had to repair the power supply, also limiting the current which is flowing when the transmitter isn't emitting, and everything has to be dissipated by the two neon stabilizers, STV types. And it is very interesting what you are looking at currently. Let us now focus more on what is happening in the receiver, whereas I am detuning the transmitter. You see, the receiver, the tuning motor, is responding on the frequency deviation, and it is derived from the discriminator detector output of the receiver. And the deviation or the response is shown here by this instrument. And this is the tuning motor, and currently it is operating. I will increase the frequency, and I will say 2000 Hertz. This is 2000 Hertz, and viewing back now, we can see that the output is far more, far higher at the pitch of 2 kilohertz, and it is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times 2. It is 10 volts at the anode, which isn't much, but that might have been caused by the fact that the modulator is not supposed to modulate amplitude but modulate frequency in the transmitter unit. But it is operating currently, and that is most convenient to us. And let us have a look here now. We see transmitter tuning. You listen to the microphone, the transmitter here, the modulator here, and the power supply here, which we have to modify, which is done experimentally, but it is working sufficiently well. You see, you listen to the receiver, and you hear the buzzing sound of the tuning motor, which means it is getting a signal out of phase, and that is caused by the heating up of the system itself. So, and it is a very good result today, because we have now really a working system. We are receiving currently what we are transmitting. Here, I will disconnect, and you hear no sound, and this is the modulator. Oh, it might have to tune in now. It is far too high. I will try too high amplitude, far too high. You see, here is some very strong distortion, which I don't know where. Oh, wait a minute. I have. This is. Haha! I was feeding it with the TTL output. And here. You see what is happening, and you hear also the tuning motor, because the system is still heating up. And so I tune now the transmitter, and you see the response of the frequency control motor, which, by the way, is this one here. But we are very pleased today. It is operating, and that is what we would like to achieve today. Thank you.